How to use Bump app beginner's tutorial. So the first thing you're gonna do once you install the app is enter your name, last name, your age, your phone number, and then you can share your profile on Bump. Now here we can upload an Instagram story. They just give you an icon, and after you've done that, then Bump needs some permissions. Now I'm gonna say no to all of these permissions so I can show you later how to enable the permissions on your own. But of course, you can enable them here. You're gonna be represented with a bunch of people who are in your area, kind of, and you can add them or request to be their friend. Here I'm gonna add a random person. So to enable your location, go to the apps, go to the Bump, and then on location, click always. Now your location is always enabled. From here you can click the icon in the bottom right, and now you can add your music, although you do need a friend to unlock this. And you also have Auto Magic, where the best friends are set there. The best friends are automatically set by the app by how much you text your friends. You can also save places for you to go later with your friends. And the main thing about this app is that you can see where everyone is whenever you want, and you can see what kind of music they're streaming, and you can message them always. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.